Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nyo kamu dari pemuda kampung Namdadu. Alhamdulillah yo katro ba tabak pulau yang ada di Aceh Besar, yaitu Pulau Bunta. Selamat datang di Pulau Bunta. Oke. Kita apa pendapat Roh tentang Pulau Buntanya?
Pulau Buntanya indah tak ni. Aceh besarnya cukup indah. Cukup lah kat pemandangan ni.
Kita pendapat Roh tentang pulau.
Tengok dia untuk sedek. Pulaunya air dan aman. Penduduk kurang.
Api unggu Pulau Bunta.
Angels sent from up above, you know you make my world light up. When I was down, when I was hurt, you came to lift me up. Life is a drink and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be mine. I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. I'm not the kind of person that it fits. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like